Let's go, boys. Right. Oh, fuck. Right. With some good music on. My last made me feel like I would never change. When I saw you, I felt something I've never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my life history. We need petrol, man. Let's go get some petrol. Oh, to try and help myself up. Woo! It's 9 in the morning, and this is probably the earliest I've been up since quarantine. Got up just for you guys, because it's dry now and not in like 12. In like 12? In like a couple of hours. Skirt! I have many weird looks. Don't pull out on me, please. No, don't do it. Why are you doing that, man? You deliver post and not pull out on people. Oh, it's my postman. He delivers to my house. I need this damn pit raw without getting coronavirus. I'm not touching that without my glove. Hui.
Yes, you can, but have you done the accounting?
£6 for a tank, not bad. And let's go. Bless me. Okay. Oh. It's the type of stuff that gets me up in the morning. Not like that, the dirty bastards. That's the wrong day. Jolly sportsman. Some posh old white guy owns that, I bet. Don't do it. I saw you sneaking. Kiddies. Okay, that sounded nonsense. I hate doing this. Why am I only just faster than him? He just like sneaks past and looks like, oh god.
Bye, have a great time.
Excuse me, sir, could you move over for me? That's not quite what I meant, but okay. Can you pick one side of the road, please? Please, pick one or the other. Which one are you going for? Pick one of two, that is two, pick one. Excuse me, sir, coming through. High five. Oh, there was no lean on that at all. Trying to look like I know how to lean properly. Oh, that scared the hell out of me.
Hello there.
Jesus Christ, he scared me. Let's go over to Ellsbury. You wanna see some real speed?
You wanna see some real speed?
Can you stop riding my ass, man? Stop riding my ass, I'm going 60, man! Why you ride my ass, man? Why you do this? I go the speed limit and you push up my button. Push up my bumper. Okay, I can feel like I can feel my mic with my lip. Who's this sneaking on the side? Who are you? Nobody. I'm riding his ass. Don't be too bad, I'm sorry. Oh shit. He's turning right. Where? Oh yeah.
You stupid.
Oh, please, man. Head down there. Hello, sir. Yes, thank you, thank you. Just on my way to shops. No worries, no worries. Okay, I see how it is. That's cool, I don't mind. That's fine. I'm going 65, man. Can you just adjust? This guy's going 20 and you don't get pissed at him. 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck it up. Fuck it up. What the fuck is that? What is that? That was a chariot. Oh, I don't know what that's for. I feel bad. I feel like that's kind of like a funeral thing. Okay, I shouldn't laugh. I don't know what it is. Moving along. Ooh, that's how British we are. We have a whole greenhouse for a tea room. Are you kidding me? A whole like garden centre for tea. Jesus Christ. Freshly clicked. I prefer it's freshly cooked. Prefer if it's freshly cooked, to be honest. But you know, freshly clicked sounds good. I hope you're not staying too, but Jesus Christ, I was like 6 meters apart. He'd taken some safety precautions. Oh, I can flick my night thing down. Now I look blacked out to everyone.
Bravo 6. Going dark.
Sounds kind of dumb, but I only just realised the speed camera only does your speed over these like white lines on the floor there. I sound like a bit of an idiot, but I only just realised that. I always thought they like filmed your bike before the camera.
You stupid.
But apparently not. Well, I'm just assuming, yeah. Yeah, I'm done. Okay. I have a feeling. Can I make the light? Can I make the light? Can I make the light? Can I make it? Yeah, boy! Oh, the other one just changes for me, and they're beautiful! Oh, no shift. Ah, tight corners. Speed bumps while you go around a corner is not fun. I've got an itchy nose. Brake. Oh, balance. I'm in the wrong lane. Oh, sounds good. Weatherspoons, please open up. Please, man. I need you back. I need you again. Hello. Oh, no break. Oh, Hakuna Matata. Don't do it. I'm watching you, Minnie.
Check it out.
Oh.